Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is part 1 of textures in nature. So in today's video, we are going to be drawing a scenery, and in the next video, we are going to be making patterns in it. So first, I am making a pond in one corner and some stones around it. Next, I am making fishes, so a leaf shape, a triangle, 2 more triangles for the fin, lips, eyes, and fish also have pattern, these U shapes, so we'll make them. We'll make another fish using the same method, leaf shape, triangular, fins and tail, eyes and lips, and then patterns. You might not make the patterns because we are going to make them in the next video using sketch pens. Now after this, I am making some leaves floating in the water. Next, I am making 2 big rocks. For that, I am making 2 big circles. And then near the pond, we'll make a tree. So the stem and then the leaves. These bushy patterns. And then we'll make another tree. This time we are going to make it cone shaped. The curve at the bottom gives it a cone shape. Now after erasing the extra lines, we'll make some leaves. You don't need to make the veins because we will make them in the next video using sketch pens. Now after this, I am making a house. So for that, we will make a triangular shape and then a rectangle. So every line is going to be a little bit curved. Now 3 straight lines from the 3 points. We are going to make a slanting line from the third one, a circle, divide it into 4 parts, and a door. 2 windows, rectangular shape for windows. All the patterns will be made in the next video. Now after this, I am making a line at the back to show the ground and the sky. We'll make a path, some rectangular shapes for the patterns. Now after this, we are going to make mountains in the background. So triangular shapes which are curved at the top. And after this, we'll make a curved shape for the sun and triangular shape for the sun rays. After that, we will make clouds. And our drawing is done. After we are done drawing, we'll outline using a black permanent marker or a black sketch pen. And our drawing is done. So in the next video, we are going to be making patterns in this. Thanks for watching and bye.